Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to make your design available offline on Canva. Now if you're working on a project and you want to visit a place that don't have internet connection, we all know that Canva use internet connection, but if you want to make your project or design offline, if you want to make it offline, in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. Simply open your Canva app and navigate to the project you are working on. I have a simple thumbnail right here. So if I want to make this available offline, simply click on File at the top left corner, and here you're going to select Make Available Offline. Now you just have to wait so that to prepare your design for offline use. By the way, you need internet connection to do this for it to download your design, and depending on how large your project is, you have to be patient for it to download everything. You can keep editing while it finishes. When it is done, your project or design will be available offline. So that's how you save a project or make a project in Canva available for offline use. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.